guys, this is my Aries again. Today I will show you my fidget like homemade fidget cube. This is gonna be so fun. So it's like this one. It's super cool and satisfying too, but it's super cool. So first is the danger button. It's just a pop-it, guys, that I made. And in the back, numbers, like that. So here's ABCs for babies, A B C D or something. So let's see the colors. The back, if getting too fussy for your babies, just made this hack. Look, it's a pearl. Just put like this. So relaxing. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next week. Bye. See you at my birthday.